It might be hard to tell from the video, but the room was really spacious. I'm 155 centimeters tall, and I could comfortably lie down. It would still be comfortable for someone up to around 165 centimeters, maybe just fitting at 170 centimeters. You could easily roll over too. One thing to be careful about is that the door has no lock and has an open gap at the bottom. I haven't seen any internet cafes with locked doors for mixed-gender booths like these, so I keep valuables with me when leaving the seat. There are also some free lockers, though availability is limited.